So let's start our course, which is on digital forensic. So when we are talking about the digital forensic, before that we need to know about the forensic science. Okay, because digital forensic is a sub branch of a forensic science only. So what is forensic science and the word from where it came? So forensic word came from the Latin word forensis, which means in open court or public. When we are describing something as a forensic, we usually means that has to do with the findings of evidence to solve a crime. It could also mean that it has to do with the court or legal system. Means whatever steps we have performed, it should be admissible in a court. Then only we can submit our opinion with the report in a court. Related to scientific method of solving a crime, that is also a forensic. Examining the object or substance or evidence that are involved in a crime, that is also a forensic. Next, what is digital forensic? So digital forensic, as I already discussed, that digital forensic is a branch of a forensic science which is responsible for identification, recovery, investigation, validation and presentation of fact regarding digital evidences found on a computer or similar storage media devices. Okay, so as digital forensic is a sub branch of forensic science, but in digital forensic also there are sub branch. Okay, so which kind of branch? So computer forensic, hard disk forensic, mobile forensic, network forensic, malware forensic, memory forensic, crypto blockchain forensic. So these are the list of sub branches which is available in a digital forensic branch. Next, list of devices which are available in a market. Which kind of devices are available? Computer, hard disk, SSD. SSD means solid state drive. It is a type of a hard disk. RAM, CD, DVD, pen drive, mobile phones, SIM card, memory card, camera, e-reader, tablet. But this is not enough. Actually, we know that there are different other digital devices also available, like a digital watch and extract. What could be the possible digital evidences stored in a digital devices which we can retrieve? So first of all, event log. Whatever user activity has been performed on a system, which will store in a text format or in a encoded format, that is a event log. Actually, when somebody will change, somebody will run a tool or somebody will change a date and time, that each and every log stored in a event log only. Now registry log, this is similar with the register. Like when somebody will enter in an organization, we have to make an entry of the person. Like same thing in a digital media also. Like when somebody inject a pen drive or some hardware in a system, that is also an entry. So it will make a entry in a registry log. So we can retrieve that from registry log. Server log, everybody knows, like log will be maintained by the server, so we can retrieve that server logs and we can analyze it. Now next is a text file, which is a raw format text only. Document file like a PDF, Word. Document sheet like a Microsoft Excel. Executable file like a exe. Compressed file like a zip file, rar, 7-zip. Picture file like JPG, PNG. Video file MP3, MP4, AVI files. Audio file MP3 files. So these are the evidence can be found from the digital device. List of cybercrime. Hacking, taking an access of someone's computer system without his or her permission, that is called hacking. Financial crime, this is involve money or financial loss. Denial of service attack. Here attacker will send fake request to the server and server unable to handle this kind of such a request and got hanged. This is called denial of service attack. Child pornography accessing, storing and sharing is a crime and it's illegal. Virus dissemination, purposely spreading a virus, that is also a crime. Selling of illegal article, that is also a crime. Computer forgery, creating a fake document or forge a document using a computer, that is called computer forgery and this is also a crime. Intellectual property crime. So intellectual property mainly there are three pillars: copyright, trademark and patent. So if somebody has copyright of some product or some document and you are using that document without taking a permission, that is also a crime and which is come in the intellectual property crime. Credit card fraud, that is also a cyber crime. Phishing, here attacker will create a fake page of an original website to get the username and password of the user. Email spoofing, through the email attacker will send fake website link or malicious code to get the access of user system or a user credential. Spoofing, while user and server communicating, the attacker will get the data in between. The best example of spoofing is man in the middle attack, MITM. Cyber defamation, sharing false information to destroy someone's image or reputation, that is cyber defamation. Cyber stalking, someone share you in inappropriate messages like your old memory which is available on a social media and manipulate you to communicate with them, that is cyber stalking. Salami attack, in which attacker steal money in small amount like 1 rupees but not harming much. Evidence handling process, here there are some steps available which you have to perform while conducting a digital forensic. So first step is preservation. This is the initial step and here you have to visit a crime scene, you have to conduct a crime scene and you have to seize the digital devices without altering any data. So this is preservation. Then after acquisition, after seizing the evidence, you have to acquire the data from the seized evidence. Okay, seize the devices. So for acquisition, you have to identify the device, its model and identify the tool which has the capable to acquire the device. What is the difference between examination and analysis? So in examination, you are segregating a data properly in a proper format, or like if you receive a mobile phone, then call log should be separate, contact should be separate, WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat, SMS, each and every data should be segregate and it should be shown clearly. Like there is a deleted data or there is a hidden data, it should be recovered and it should be shown to the examiner properly. So this is the examination step. Here also you have to use a particular forensic tool, that is come under examination. Analysis, in this step you are analyzing a data based on the query, that is the analysis. Okay, this is the fourth step. Now last is a reporting and it's a final step. Here you have to show whatever findings you have been done, like what kind of tool you have used, what kind of devices you have seized, from where it came, when it came, and each and everything you have to make a documentation and you have to submit. So this is the reporting and it's a main step. Whatever you have done till now, each and everything you have to show in a reporting step. So this is the evidence handling process.
Please subscribe and click the bell icon.